Really, just started recording and I've got that at the start of my video, haven't I?
You didn't warn me.
Hey guys, G-Dog here and welcome back to another Cubic Castles video, and it is update day today, so me and Inter are gonna open 50k of dungeon packs each. Now it's not really gonna be a duel, is it, Inter? We're gonna just sort of casually do this, aren't we?
That is correct, sir.
And,
I moved off the couch.
And we're also joined by Madam Angel. She's come along for the ride as well.
Hello.
So, hi. So yeah, should we get this going?
Yeah, once you move this so we have a separator donation tables.
Could have discussed that before we started.
Well, I know, but I didn't think about it until just now. You can always edit this part out, yeah.
You say that like it's just a click of the fingers and it's gone.
Well, for a pro like you, it is.
Right, so the dungeon packs cost 1,250 cubits. Obviously, we're going to get them a little bit cheaper because we got the merchant perks. Now, in every single one, we're going to get 5 crates, 5 barrels, 2 bookshelves, and then we're also going to get one of the like new door stamps, aren't we? Or doors, actually. So that stuff is going to be the same every time. It's the dungeon blocks and like the possibility of the new masks and stuff, which Madam's actually donning at the moment. The what is it called? It's just called Iron Mask, isn't it? That?
Yep, it's called the Iron Mask, and it's actually its rarity is actually like a compass.
Yeah, it's super rare. I spent 160k and didn't get it. Oh no, you're not building a parkour course in here. Get out! Right, I'm in my first one, so I'll open a few singly so you can sort of see what you get per pack. So yeah, look,
So,
I'm gonna get me 5 crates, me 5 barrels, 2 bookshelves. That's gonna be the same every time, which is cool because they are really nice blocks. Those actually.
Alright, so Phantom Foam is not something you get in every one then either,
Not
right?
every one, no. You
So I
get
got
10.
Phantom Foam.
Yeah, cool. I got this door, the one without the lock.
I got a bone throw.
Oh no!
And I got a gargoyle statue, which is the cutest thing ever.
That is actually pretty rare, the gargoyle statue. You've done well there. Done well there, mate.
It is cute. It is
They
super
are
cute.
so adorable.
Right, I'm gonna just leave my barrels and stuff in my inventory because they're just gonna pile up every time.
Will they stack?
Yeah, they'll stack. Trust me, I've got 700 in a chest
Oh
somewhere.
my god.
Right then, there you go. Alright, let me buy the next one here.
Ooh, I got some more of your parkour building stuff. And some of mine, the skulls, will be seen on the bone course too.
Some of the skulls. Oh, I got another bone thrown.
What? What's going on? Cubeth, I told you. I get my bone thrones. He gets all the parkour horrible stuff.
I got one of the locked door stamps.
Oh, cool, cool. They're cool, they are. I like them with the little key as well. Right, I'm doing another.
Oh, I got a little key.
Oh, I've got more. I've got a Cubist skull. So that's more stuff for the bone
Nice.
course too.
Got 2 of those gray fiery things, more Phantom Foam, and a regular.
Yes.
Yeah, I've just got another one of them. Regular. So we're still not seeing the Executioner's Mask or the Gargoyle Mask yet. Although I've just got...
Me either. Oh, I got another bone thrown.
What?
And a key and another gargoyle statue. Yay.
Wow, Hinter's just getting a bunch of stuff.
And a bone skull. Yay. What'd you get, G-Dog?
Not a bone throne.
Oh, I'm sorry. You'll get one this time.
I'm getting Cubist skulls and stuff. Which is fine, I guess. Right.
Oh man, I got another bone thrown. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh.
Man, I'm getting Phantom Foam
Oh,
out
I
the...
got some shackles. I'm gonna put them
Nice.
up here.
Oh, nice pick up on the shackles. I got another locked stamp. Locked door stamp.
Look at them shackles, ladies and gentlemen.
Those are for you in case you get out of control. Oh wait, is this what I think it is? Wait, what is that? Oh shit, where'd it go?
Where'd what go?
What
There
did you
was a-
throw?
There was a black thingy in my
Oh,
inventory.
you,
Have you put it on your head? Because it'll be under your mask if it is.
yeah, you probably got the executioners. Yep.
Oh look!
Oh,
There
now,
you go.
Now if you talk as well, type something like rough or beep boop. Yeah, look, you get funky.
Whee!
You get funkiness.
oh, and I got another bone thrown.
What? I've not received my first bone thrown. Betamax, is this because I said your stalactites look like poop?
And I got more phantom foam.
Oh, I got another gargoyle. Let's put that up here.
Righty.
Hunter looks like one of those Pac-Man ghosts now.
Need a power pellet. I didn't get anything spiffy in that one. I got more of those bone stacks. Are the
Nice.
bone stacks rarer than the single bones? Or about the same?
About the
I
same,
would say
probably.
the same.
I could go and have a look at my stacks later and see where I'm at.
Oh, I got 2 more bone thorns.
What the hell is going on? I didn't even
Have
receive
you
my
not
first.
got a single bone
No, I've
thorn?
not got a single bone thrown. I've got a single locked
What?
door yet.
It's okay, G. I believe in you. You'll get it.
The locked
get it,
doors
G.
are definitely rarer
Here,
than
Angel, we have to
normal.
do the good energy dance around G-Dog. Come here.
Whee!
Okay.
You
good
look
energy.
scary. I'm not filled with confidence.
Alright.
It's
Here we
because I
go.
put a different
Right.
t-shirt on. I got my lucky t-shirt on, that's why. Oh, I got a locked one, finally.
Oh, I got manacles. Yay. More fiery, blocky parkour things.
Yeah, I'd definitely say this was one of the best updates so far. Just, I love all these blocks and stuff. It's what we want, isn't it? Like, hats are nice, don't get me wrong, hats are nice, but they are just hats at the end of the day.
Oh, I got another set of
Mhm.
manacles.
I got more bone
Come
skull.
on, G.
I know. No! Bone thrown yet, what the hell is going on?
Oh, I got another gargoyle statue. Yay. And a third set of manacles, third in a row. Wow.
Damn this.
Oh, you got a gargoyle statue, G-Dog.
I did, yeah.
Mhm.
No,
They're so super cute. Ooh, bone thorn.
What the?
Oh.
Yeah!
Did you get a bone thorn? You got a bone thorn? Yay, bone
I
thorn.
think you did.
At least can.
Oh my gosh.
Here, get up, Angel. Get up. Get up. Get up. Here, get that G-Dog. That's yours. G-Dog.
Thanking you.
There you go,
Oh,
Angel.
look.
Yay!
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, it looks amazing.
He's, yeah,
I
he's
feel like I'm
proper.
blending into it too.
Wait, why are you half invisible? Oh, no, you're not. Okay. That was weird. Alright, so in case somebody hasn't seen the cute gargoyle statue, I'm going to put one down.
Oh, there are two right
There's
behind
two in the
us.
back.
Oh, are they?
Mhm.
Oh.
Well, this is going to be G-Dog's buddy. Right here. That's your buddy, G-Dog.
Yeah, is he gonna give me good luck and give me more bone
He
throws?
is. Yes. No, he's going to get you the iron mask.
I believe he'll get the Iron Man.
No.
Yeah.
Don't stop believing.
Oh, journey for the win. Word. Okay, mine another pack. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, look. Look. Ding.
Oh, you got the gargoyle mask.
Oh, what? You're getting uber lucky. Uber.
Oh yeah. Look at the size difference.
Oh, and I got a
too.
bone thrown. And my 4th manacles in a row.
Wow.
Oh,
Well,
shit.
manacles
Hey,
are-
I got mine. Got mine. It looks a bit like
Oh,
a cat to
nice.
me. No, I'm not sure about it. Those
It is
ears,
so huge with that.
it is, yeah, it's a little large.
It looks heavy.
Yeah.
You won't believe this, G-Dog. I've gotten 65 barrels so far.
No, that's, yeah, that's, you always get the same.
Yeah, I know. I was.
Oh, right,
But-
yeah, I see what you're doing there.
Kind of got ruined.
It's a little late
Iron
for
Mist.
me.
Iron Mist.
Nope, not gonna happen.
Would you freak out if you
Well,
got one?
2 manacles that time. You're getting off the donation table there, G-Dog.
It's alright. It shouldn't take 20 minutes.
Well,
Oh god. Inventory full of doors.
that is a lot of door stamps.
Oh yeah.
Oh, another gargoyle. Well, I think this one's different looking. What? Oh no, it's the same.
No, it's the same.
Hey, my friend.
Ooh, what'd you get, Bunthorn? Bunthorn!
Yay!
Might have to use some of that Phantom Foam and Dark Water too.
No,
Oh my gosh.
Dark
I
water
didn't
is
talk about
complete.
dark water.
you don't need to work on dark water anymore.
You didn't even need to speak of it.
I'm halfway through my monies. Well, bang.
Yeah, me too. About halfway, almost. Man, getting a lot of those parkour fiery things finally. Let's figure out something to do with those. Ooh, bone thorn. Take it, bone throws are the rarest dungeon block with the dungeon.
I think gargoyle is technically, actually. I know.
The statue.
Yeah, the little statue thing.
Man, another bone thorn. Man,
Wow, you're getting a lot of those.
I am. I've gotten like a bunch of bone thorns.
Oh.
Or manacles.
Oh, gargoyle.
Ooh, nice. Another mask or the gargoyle statue?
Oh, statue.
Wow, only got a stamp, 2 manacles, and Phantom Foam on that one?
Hmm.
Surprised that Hinter is the only one that's only Executioner's Mask.
Yeah, because they are.
Very surprising.
Yeah. Like how they actually put eyes on that, because when they were first
Oh,
on the test
okay.
server, it didn't have eye holes.
Yeah.
They were really weird.
It was all blank.
Oh, it's just all one big black mask.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was blacker than that as well. It was like it was a great.
It was like a
It
it was like a black
velvet.
blob.
Gray's gonna be so mad when I come.
Did you get
Did you get it?
I told
Yay!
you. I told you.
Woo!
Yay! I told you.
Congrats, bro.
That is so awesome. See?
Awesome. Happy G-Dog now.
Bravo.
Ooh, I got another Executioner's mask.
Nice.
You look like Bane.
Bay9.
Mm.
See what I did there? It weren't the best. No.
Another bone thrower. Man, I'm the bone throne king.
No! Take that back now!
I just got another bone throne. Oh my god.
Why are you getting all these bone thrones?
I don't know.
That's nuts. G-Dog's just getting a bunch of stamps and parkour stuff. Look at
So many stamps, man. So many stamps. How many stamps is that now, G-Dog?
Well, it'd be one for every pack, pretty much, I think.
Oh, I got another gargoyle.
It seems like it, doesn't it?
Alright, so yeah, it's either the gargoyle block, the rare hoods or
Bone
a thingy, a door stamp. Stop! I've got like maybe 2 or 3 out of this whole. I can't whinge though. I've got is he mask.
It's true. I'm at 11k.
Oh yeah, like 9.5. I'll let you open a few more presents first. Like Christmas. Can't get too far ahead. Or you just have to watch everyone else open theirs. It's boring.
8,300.
Oh wow.
Now that's weird. I got 20 Phantom Foam, Steel Fire Trap, 2 Heap of Skulls, Locked Portcullis, 2 Gate Bumpers, a QB Skull, and another Locked Portcullis, all in one.
Wow. Wow.
How's that possible?
It just looks like a wave of stamps now.
I think I'll probably throw some of these stamps on the bone course so people can have some doors.
Yeah, some of these stamps will go in our
Because I've
price
got
dispensers.
so many now.
Well, it doesn't look like the Iron Mask is coming my way.
No, with that attitude, come on, think positive.
You might get it last minute.
I'm positive the Angel's gonna lick my.
Oh.
5,000.
Got this.
This is weird. I'm not sure these packs are acting right.
You've had anomalies with packs though before, like on the hats and stuff, haven't you?
Well, like in this pack, I just got 10 Phantom Foam, 2 Steel Fire Traps, and a Portcullis stamp.
Weird. Yeah, I mean, you will have got your barrels and your crates and your thingy as well.
Right, yeah.
But, yeah.
Oh, it's really weird. Really weird. Ooh, another Executioner's Mask. Nice.
Right, I am down to my... Oh! I've got another gargoyle. Mask.
Oh, nice.
Bloody hell,
Oh,
I
Bunthorn.
can't even see you anymore. He is back there.
Huh?
I'm gonna open my last one when you are.
Yep, I've just got my last one. So
Okay.
go ahead and open your last one.
Ta-ta-ta.
And- Nothing spectacular.
Aww.
Well, it's
GG.
cool though. Look at all the bookshelves and crates and stuff we got there. Gonna be cool.
Oh
to
no,
build
220
them. Yeah.
crates, 220 barrels, and 88 bookshelves.
And like when the next update comes, which I think we can talk about, is on the forums now. We're gonna be getting the new biomes and the new like cave stones and the new mushrooms. All this stuff's gonna come together and be awesome.
Which
Yeah, it's gonna be
yeah, I
beautiful.
agree. Alright, so I got 16 bone thrones total.
Shut your mouth. I got 6, I think maybe 5 or 6. I got 5 gargoyle, 6 shackles.
I
8.
did get 3 executioners masks.
Oh, that's good. I got none of
Yay,
them. Oh,
thank
stamps.
Yeah, these stamps are big. Man, Gray is gonna be so mad when I take this home. Our table's already a little bit ridiculous. Well, thank you for having me, G-Dog.
Yeah, anytime. And yeah, thanks for tagging along, madam. It's cool to have you on.
Yeah, it's been lovely. Really
You
fun.
definitely brought me good luck. Bar the bone thrones.
I
You know what?
told you you were gonna get
I'm
it.
gonna leave this bone throne with you, G-Dog.
Okay.
Gonna have it.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Oh my god.
Not
2 full chests of the not so good
a
door.
girl's going home with me though.
Right, well, we'll see you later, guys, and yeah, hopefully we should be doing some of your guys' courses and stuff made out of these new blocks, I'm hoping. I'm not really talked to you about it, but I think we should check out some cool In fact, I want to see what you make in there out of that horrible stuff. I'll make a nice range video for everyone.
Oh, I bet I could put a geyser on top of one of those steel traps.
Oh gosh.
No, people
Don't
are switching
get
off.
any
People are
ideas.
switching off. They can't listen to my madness any longer. So yeah,
Cover your ears.
Well, yeah, we'll see you later, guys. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. And yeah, bye. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Bye.